Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So I've got a little bit of a fun video. Malema made a speech over the weekend again. He decided that 6th of April 1652, which is what we call Founders Day, when Jan van Riebeeck landed on the Cape Point, he decided to call it Reclamation Day. So I'm going to play one or two clips and then I'll give you a comment because, hey, the stuff that comes out of this guy's mouth, sometimes it's really funny. I enjoyed it. Enjoy this.
EFF President Julius Malema has urged his supporters to identify every piece of land that belongs to them and utilize it. Malema says when the EFF goes into government, they will expropriate farms and give them to farm workers. He further urged the EFF supporters to pick up the spear and continue the fight to reclaim what belongs to them. Malema was speaking at the party's Land Reclamation Day celebrations in Sophiatown, Johannesburg.
They found us working the land. They did not teach us how to work the land. We've always without fear.
So, firstly, Mr. Malema, he was clearly watching some white commentators because if you look back in history, there was no farming, there was no agricultural farmlands, there was no functional productive farms. If you went to 1652 and you went to Europe, you would have found farms with farm implements and farm animals. If it quacks like a duck, it ducks like a duck. That's a good one, eh? So, enjoy the next one.
And we've always had our own culture and we've always had our own songs. We were human beings before the arrival of the colonizers. No colonizer must ever claim that they brought civilization to us. We are going to refuse that. Fighters.
So this last part was quite interesting, where he was trying to tell his voters that the white man never brought civilization. I'm not sure if mud huts and wearing skins and using spears to hunt, at least the Bushmen, you know, the Bushmen, they had bow and arrows. Yeah, I don't know. This the speeches he makes is absolutely flabbergastingly dumb. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.
Of this land, we were in the main referring to our own cattle, goats and sheep that they stole from our parents. We want all of those things returned to the rightful owners. Comrades, economic freedom fighters is at the center and championing the struggle for the return of the land. We must never sleep on this duty. They so wish that we can forget the issue of the land. We will never forget the issue of the land because this land belongs to us.